Top 5 main reasons why your car will not start. 1. Dead battery. A completely dead battery will not provide necessary power to the starter. A quick way to check for power is to simply turn on your headlights. Another way to check the battery is to use a multimeter and set it to voltage. A good battery should have 12.6 volts with the engine off. 2. Bad starter. A starter is a mechanical component that turns the engine over. Without it, the engine will not turn over. Symptoms of a bad starter are no click or starter making grinding noise. 3. Faulty alternator. The main job of an alternator is to charge your battery. Without a functioning alternator, the battery will not charge. Check the alternator with the engine running. Alternator voltage should be around 13.8 to 14.2. If it is below that level, suspect a failing alternator. 4. No fuel. Without fuel, there will be no combustion in the engine chamber. 5. No spark. Without spark, the fuel will not ignite. This could be due to a faulty distributor. There are a lot of reasons a car will not start. These are the most likely reasons your car will not start. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my website at www.diydiagnostic.com.